Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make Southwestern egg rolls. This is one of my favorite appetizers and I will be sharing my recipe with you guys today. Now to get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some chicken tenders, well seasoned. I'll be using some spinach, some black bean. I have some corn. I have some Mexican blend cheese, some red bell peppers, garlic, onions, green onions and cilantro. I have cumin, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and I have here some egg roll wraps. Now they usually use flour tortillas for this, but I am using egg roll wraps. So first I'll show you guys how I prepped my chicken, and I am using chicken tenders because they are super soft and moist. I like them best in this recipe. So I went ahead and chopped them up really fine, kind of like mince, and I washed them with some vinegar, and I will show you guys next how I season them. So to season the chicken, here I have my chopped chicken and I'll be using some green seasoning. This is not in the original recipe, but I am adding my own Guyanese Caribbean flair to it. I will also be using some garlic powder, some all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, black pepper, chicken bouillon, and some onion powder. So while I was adding the ingredients to the chicken, I stumbled across some technical difficulties and I did not get to show that part, but I must apologize. And basically what I did was add all the ingredients and mix until well combined. Very simple. So here in my preheated oil, I will now go in with that chicken and I will allow this chicken to brown until it is thoroughly cooked. Now that our chicken is fully cooked, this has been cooking for about 10 minutes. I will now add my red bell peppers, my garlic, and my onions. I will allow them all to go for about 2 minutes. Next, we'll go ahead and add the black bean, corn, and the spinach. We will mix it a little and we will allow the spinach to wilt a bit. That way it will become easier to manage so we can add the remainders of our ingredients. So at this point, we will now add our seasonings. We already seasoned our chicken, so we don't need to add too much seasonings here, just a little to flavor up our vegetables. And we will add our all-purpose seasoning, our black pepper, our cumin, and we will add our green onions and cilantro here. We will mix it all in, and then we will allow it to simmer so that the spinach can wilt down some more. And lastly, we will add our cheese here, mix it all well. And this is it, you guys. This is the filling for our delicious Southwestern egg rolls. We will let this cool off thoroughly before we start wrapping our egg rolls up. So for this step, you'll need an egg wash, a brush, your egg roll wraps, and your filling. Now we will take one egg roll wrap here, we will place our filling right in the middle, and then we will put our egg wash all the way around the 4 edges, and then we will start rolling it up, and we will tuck the 2 sides in and just continue rolling it all up. It is super simple, guys, and easy. So I will do this one more time, and then I will continue the process and I'll show you guys the next step. So once we've got all our egg rolls completed, we will now head over to the stove and start frying them. So here in my preheated oil, I will now add the egg rolls, and you want to keep your heat on medium because egg rolls, they fry pretty fast and they get brown really quick. You don't want to burn them. And we will sit them in here, and when they turn golden brown, we will flip them to the other side. Now we'll remove them and continue the same process. And once you're all done, they should be looking like this. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious Southwestern egg rolls. This goes well with an avocado dip or a sweet and sour dip. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!